Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, just a few lines of that chapter was left. So, first I'll complete that chapter and then we will begin this grammar. चार ही पांच लाइन रह गया था उसका, तो you can keep your books open. So, second time also Natalia and Lomo start fighting for the dog. You can keep your books open. That page, last page. Hello, can you hear me? Screen is visible to you? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
पहले वो प्ले को खत्म कर लेते हैं, बस एक लास्ट पेज रह गया था, उसके बाद इसको. So this is just a comic drama in which the both the characters just start fighting. If you observe, they don't fight for big things. They just fight for small issues. First, for a small piece of land that is not even much expensive or valuable. Uh, and both the families, Chubukov's family and Lomov's family, they are wealthy merchants. Small piece of land doesn't mean much to them. But then also, they pick up a big fight. Mm. The small fight takes up the shape of a big fight. Uh, and here also, the fight for the dog starts. Uh, Lomov's dog and Lomov's dog Guess and Chubukov's dog Squeezer. Both try to prove that their dog is superior. And then again, and he pounces back at Chubukov by insulting him that he is not even an actual hunter. So then Chubukov starts telling Lomov that he is not a hunter. He can only hunt insects. बाद में जो है चुबुकोव उसको क्या कह के इंसल्ट करते हैं कि वो जो है कोई हंटिंग नहीं कर सकता, बस वो बीटल्स को मार सकता है. ही इज नॉट एक्चुअल हंटर. He just can kill beetles. And also he calls him Lomo calls Chubukov an intriguer. Intriguer means cheater. Again the fight becomes very ugly. Chubukov, shut up or I'll shoot you like a partridge. So Chubukov says to Lomo that you are not fit to be a hunter. You are not physically fit. It is better you sit at home with all your illness. You must not go after animals. uh, and you are not fit to be a hunter. And again Lomo also counters. वो काउंटर अटैक फिर लोमोव भी कहता है, वो उसको इंट्रीगर बुलाता है. यू आर एन इंट्रीगर. Again, Chubukov gets very angry. What? I am an intriguer. Shut up. Lomov, intriguer. Chubukov, boy, pup. लोमो ओल्ड रैट. उसके बाद फिर जैसे पहले जो लड़ाई था उसमें अब्यूजिव वर्ड्स यूज हुआ, वैसे ही लोमोव जो है वो चुबुकोव को इंट्रीगर बुलाता है, चीटर. एंड चुबुकोव again Lomov calls Chubukov old rat, old rat. Both of them start calling each other names. Chubukov, shut up or I'll shoot you like a partridge. You know what is the meaning of partridge? Hello? You know the meaning of partridge or not? Partridge is a bird. Partridge means a bird. So partridge means a bird. What does Chubukov say? That Chubukov says that Chubukov says to Lomov that if you don't shut up, then I will kill you like a partridge. I will kill you, I will shoot you like a partridge. You fool. Partridge is a short-tailed game bird. It is a short-tailed bird. It is a bird. Everybody knows that, oh my heart, your late wife used to beat you, my feet, temples, sparks, I fall. And then again, when Chubukov starts abusing Lomov, then again Lomov falls ill. Earlier also Lomov had fallen ill. His heartbeat increased. There was no sensation in his leg, numbness in the leg. And again, the second time also, when they start fighting, again he falls ill. And he holds his heart. वो अपना heart को पकड़ के, your late wife used to beat you. वो इतना तबीयत उसकी खराब हो गई है, लेकिन अब्यूज करना उसने नहीं छोड़ा है. What does he say again to Chubukov? That your wife used to beat you. Your late wife used to beat you, my feet, temples, sparks, I fall. And he falls down. He is so unwell that he falls down. He becomes unconscious. वो गिर जाता है. And you're under the slipper of your housekeeper. और चुबुकोव जो है, चुबुकोव भी लोमोव को अभी अब्यूज करना नहीं छोड़ा है. लोमोव जो है वो अपना हाथ पकड़ के गिर जाता है, फिर भी अब्यूज जो है वो कंटिन्यू है. Chubukov says to Lomov that you are under the slipper of your housekeeper, means you are under the control of your housekeeper. Means your staff also controls you. Your housekeeping staff controls you. Under the control of his housekeeper. Then there is my heart burst, my shoulders come off. Where is my shoulder? I die. And then again Lomo feels the acute pain. Pain in his heart, his shoulders. He cannot handle so much of stress. ये लड़ाई से जो stress उसको हुआ है, he cannot handle that stress, so much of stress. Neighbors, good relations are there, and all of a sudden the fight starts. The fight becomes so ugly, nasty. They start abusing each other, they start shouting at each other. And Lomo already is unwell, he's not keeping good health, and this stress he cannot handle. His heart cannot handle so much of stress, and his heart starts aching, bursting, shoulders start aching. He falls into the armchair. And he says, call a doctor, a doctor. वो armchair पर गिर जाता है, आधा वो unconscious हो जाता है, and he becomes unconscious. And he calls for a doctor. Call a doctor, I'm not unwell. Boy, milksop, fool, I'm sick. Drinks water. Chubukov की भी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. This fight has affected the health of both the persons, Chubukov as well as Lomov. Chubukov's throat also becomes dry. He drinks water, sick. But then also he doesn't stop cursing him. Look, they are so unwell, still they are cursing each other. हाँ, लड़ाई में ऐसे ही होता है, आप बहुत कुछ भूल जाते हैं. Natalia, what sort of a hunter are you? You can't even sit on a horse. To her father, Papa, what's the matter with him? So Natalia says that Natalia again keeps on insulting Lomo. He says that what kind of a hunter you will be. पहले father ने abuse किया कि तुम you are not you cannot be a good hunter because your body is not fit. You are not a fit person. You cannot be a hunter. You cannot run after animals. You can kill only insects. Insulted. Chubukov insulted Lomo, and then Lomov insulted Chubukov by saying that he was an intriguer. And cursing keeps on following. Cursing never stops. Though they are unwell, throat is dry, yet they keep on cursing each other. हाँ, भले बॉडी जवाब दे दिया, लेकिन ये लड़ाई अभी कंटिन्यू है. Even Natalia doesn't stop cursing. Lomov is not well. He falls on the armchair, but still she tells that you cannot sit on a horse. How can you be a hunter? And then she's also concerned about him. When he falls on the armchair, she tells to her father that, look, what is wrong with him? What is the matter with him, Papa? Look, Papa screams, Van Vasilovich, he's dead. And they think him to be dead. अचानक से जो है वो सोफे आर्म चेयर पर गिर जाता है और he is unconscious. Chubuko, I am sick, I can't breathe. So both become unwell. Lomo also falls on the armchair, and Chubuko also says that I can't breathe, I'm sick. Natalia, he is dead, pulls Lomo's sleeves. What have you done to him? He is dead. And look at Natalia, she is now accusing her father. What have you done to him? Now he is dead. So, though they fight, yet they have emotions for each other. They have fight, that doesn't mean that they hate each other. From the core of their heart, they like each other. So, even Natalia is concerned about Lomo, and she tells her father, what have you done? He is dead. A doctor. And Natalia becomes hysterical. Hysteric means out of control. Natalia becomes uncontrollable. Call, she starts shouting, doctor. Oh, what is it? What's the matter? And Natalia thinks that Lomo has died. Chubukov says that what is the matter? Natalia जो है जोर जोर से चिल्लाने लगती है, he is dead, call a doctor. And she tells her father, what have you done to him? And Chubukov also gets very concerned. He says, what is the matter? Natalia starts crying, wails, he is dead, dead. Natalia cries that Lomov is dead. Chubuko, who is dead? तो चुबुको कहता है कि who is dead? Looks at Lomov, so he is. My word, water. तो लोमोव के बॉडी में कोई मूवमेंट नहीं है, तो चुबुको को लगता है कि सही में वो मर गया है. So he thinks that really he thinks that really he is dead. He also gets panicked. He also gets panicked. Who is dead? So he is, my word, water. A doctor. He lifts a tumbler to Lomo's mouth. Drink this. फिर वो जो है एक पानी का ग्लास जो है लोमो के माउथ के पास लाता है, बोलता है drink this. No, he doesn't drink. It means he is dead and all that. I am the most unhappy of men. Why don't I put a bullet into my brain? Why haven't I cut my throat? And then when Chubukov realizes that Lomov is sick, and then he starts feeling guilty. हाँ, जब चुबुकोव को लगता है कि लोमोव जो है वो unconscious हो गया है या maybe he's dead, then Chubukov starts feeling guilty. He says that I think that he has died and I am responsible for it. So he says that I should shoot myself. I must put a bullet into my brain. Why haven't I cut my throat? He says that I should have killed myself. This man has is dying because of me. I am the guilty person. I should kill myself. I should kill myself. Uh, why haven't I cut my throat? What am I waiting for? Give me a knife. Give me a pistol. Lomov moves. He seems to be coming round. Drink some water. And then there is a movement in Lomov's body. Natalia और चुबुको को लगता है कि Lomov has died, but there is some movement in his body after some time. Uh, Both are very concerned and both now are feeling guilty because they think that they are responsible for Lomov's falling so ill. And Chubuko says that it is better I kill myself. Give me a bullet, give me a knife. And then when there is movement in Lomov's body, कुछ देर के बाद लोमोव के बॉडी में थोड़ा मूवमेंट हुआ, लड़ते लड़ते जो है वो अनकॉन्शियस होके आर्म चेयर पर गिर गया था. तो दोनों बहुत कंसर्न हो गए. And after some time there is a little movement in his body, and then he is offered some water. Drink some water, that is right. And I see stars, mist, where am I? लोमोव के आंख के आगे सिर्फ तारे नजर आ रहे हैं. लोमोव क्या कहता है कि I just see stars and mist, fog. Where am I? उसको ये भी नहीं पता कि वो कहाँ है. He has forgotten everything that he was fighting a few moments ago with his would-be father-in-law. Can you hear my voice? Hello? Am I audible? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, uh, Chubukov feels guilty and he starts saying that it is better he kills himself. He is responsible for Lomov's illness and he is falling on the armchair unconscious. Uh, both of them are panicking. Both of them have become hysterical, uncontrolled. Both Natalia and Chubukov thinking that they are responsible for Lomov's present condition. He has fallen unconscious on the armchair, but they think him to be dead because there is no movement in his body and they are panicking. And then Lomov feels a little better. uh, he is gaining. As he gains consciousness, is not sure where he is. He is half unconscious. He doesn't know where he is. And then hurry up and get married and well to the devil with you. She's willing. And Chubuko says to Lomov that quickly get married to my daughter. Uh, Chubuko also wants to lighten his burden. Marry my daughter. Chubuko, hurry up and get married and well to the devil with you. She's willing. And Lomov had asked Chubukov that you have given your consent. When जब लोमोव ने शेयर किया था कि वो नटालिया से शादी करना चाहता है, तो Chubukov was very happy. But Lomov was concerned whether Natalia will give her consent. So Chubukov says very happily that Natalia is also willing. Quickly marry her. He puts Lomov's hand into his daughter's. She is willing and all that. I give you my blessing and so on. Only leave me in peace. He says that let me be in peace. I also want to marry my daughter to a suitable man and I will be in peace. What? To whom? Getting up. What? To whom? अब लोमो जो है वो आधा बात भूल चुका है कि वो मैरिज प्रपोजल लेके आया था और इसी में लड़ाई शुरू हो गया. तो वो जो है आधा शॉक में है. उसको ये भी नहीं पता है कि वो है कहाँ. He says that I see stars. Where am I? Then he is getting up. What? To whom? तो कहता है कि किससे मैं शादी करूं. She is willing. Well, kiss and be damned to you. She says that kiss my daughter. And he says that both of you kiss each other, and Natalia again starts crying. Natalia is happy. This second time she, first time she cries, it is because of panic and fear. हाँ, अभी जो वो रो रही है, that is because of happiness. He is alive. Yes, I am willing. And Natalia also is willing to marry Lomo. उसकी भी तो इच्छा थी ही. तो she is very happy. She says yes, yes, I am willing. Natalia ने भी अपना consent दे दिया. Chubukov says kiss each other. Chubukov tells his daughter and Lomov to kiss each other. And Lomov अभी भी पूरे consciousness में नहीं आया है. And he says kiss whom? And then they kiss each other. Then Lomov regains consciousness. फिर उसे होश आया और कुछ बातें याद आने लगी. जब वो अनकॉन्शियस हुआ तो फिर कुछ देर के लिए वो सब कुछ भूल गया. He forgot everything. There were stars before his eyes, and he he did not know where he was. Now he is regaining consciousness, understanding the situation, and then very nice too. And then he kisses Natalia. Excuse me, what is it all about? Oh, now I understand. My heart starts. I am happy. Natalia Stepnovna. So Lomov is also very happy. And Natalia, I am happy too. What a weight off my shoulders. What does Chubukov say? कि मेरे कंधे से एक बहुत बड़ा भार उतर गया. What a burden, what a weight off my shoulders. Chubukov is also very happy that he has got a suitable match for his daughter. Lomov is a wealthy merchant. He's also a good person. Of course, they start fighting over small matters, but that doesn't mean that they are bad persons. It is just their ego that clashes. Nobody wants to lose, and that is why they pick up the fight and start abusing each other, but they are good people. uh, and Chubukov is also very happy that he has got a good match for his daughter. What a weight off my shoulders off. But still you will admit now that guess is worse than squeezer. लेकिन वो पुराना मैटर फिर गोल गोल घूम के वापस आ गया. He says that no, but everything we'll get married, we'll be together, that is all right, but still you will have to admit that guess is worse than squeezer. huh? Natalia again resumes the topic about dogs and manipulates him. He's trying to manipulate. Lomo better, Natalia worse. लड़ाई फिर शुरू है. Well, that's a way to start. तो चुबुकोव कहता है कि अच्छा तरीका है मैरिज स्टार्ट करने का लड़ाई से. हाँ, दैट्स अ वे टू स्टार्ट योर फैमिली ब्लिस. सो both Lomov and Natalia have got married, have some champagne, and what do they do to celebrate the occasion? They have champagne, have some champagne. Lomov, he is better. अभी भी लोमोव जो है वो अपने डॉग को अच्छा कह रहा है और नटालिया वर्स. लड़ाई शुरू है. लोमोव एंड नटालिया आर्ग्यू. चुबुको ऑफर्स देम अ ड्रिंक. हाँ, सो both are arguing and Chubuko is offering them a drink. Chubuko trying to shout. Chubuko is shouting champagne, champagne. Okay, the chapter ends here. So Chubuko gives his daughter's hand in Lomov's hand, and informally they get married. Of course, the formal wedding will take place, consent is there, and even when they agree to marry each other, all the differences are over, but yet the argument continues. Natalia वापस वो डॉग का बात वापस ले आती है कि कुछ भी हो, you have to agree that my dog is better than your dog. तीन दो. Okay. So any doubts? Anyone wants to ask any question from this? कुछ समझ में नहीं. It is just what you can say funny play. Huh? Okay. So what does Chubukov suspect Lomov of coming for? Lomov जो है वो मैरिज प्रपोजल लेकर आया है, लेकिन चुबुकोव को कुछ और ही सस्पिशन है कि वो किस दूसरे काम के लिए आया है. What does he suspect that Lomov has come for in the beginning of the play? Hello. Chubukov suspects that Lomov has come for borrowing money. शुरू में उसको वही लगा when he is speaking so politely to him, and then he suspects him that he has come for borrowing the money. So okay, you can do the question answers of that chapter. Screen is visible to you? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
जो तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स क्लास अटेंड नहीं करते हैं उनको कन्वे कर देना. 20 marks is in my hand. If you don't attend the classes, I will not give you more than 15. मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स को हम 15 पे. You have to attend the classes. What is the problem? I can't understand. Okay, so it's all right if you miss a few classes, 1 or 2, लेकिन लगातार कुछ स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो मुझे लगता है कभी करते ही नहीं है. Okay, so we'll do this exercise in grammar. Sorry, I shall not be with you. This ये fill in the blanks है. You went to see your friend. He had left the house before you reached. He left a note for you. तो ये तुम अपने दोस्त के घर गए और तुम वहां पहुंचे उससे पहले जो है तुम्हारा दोस्त जो है वो घर छोड़ के कहीं जा चुका था. कुछ काम होगा. He left a note for you. So you find some words missing. Now complete the note by filling in the missing words. Only one word per blank. So you have to fill in the blanks with any suitable word. This is the note your friend has left for you. Because so, dear Ashish, sorry I shall not be with you this evening because I am leaving just now for dash urgent piece of work. क्या होगा बताओ? Tell me. Hello. Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello. क्या होगा यहाँ? जिज्ञासा? जिज्ञासा, can you hear me? Hello. 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 Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
What will you fill in this blank? For dash urgent piece of business. Hello. Screen दिख रहा है ना सबको? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
तो इसमें sorry ये this is a note from your friend. You visit your friend's house, but your friend has left the house. and he has left a note for you. Dear Ashish, sorry I shall not be with you this evening because I am leaving just now for dash urgent piece of business. What will you use?
The
Huh? For?
the
For an नहीं होगा. For an urgent. Urgent के पहले तो an use होना चाहिए. I hope you dash not mind it. Sarika? Sarika? I hope you dash mind it. Come on, answer. Aman? Aman Tendi.
will
Huh?
ma'am will not don't
I hope you don't mind it. Yes. I hope you don't. Yes, Divyani, your answer is correct. I hope you don't mind it. Actually, my uncle has dash with an accident. Sarika?
mate
Very good. Met. Has met with an accident. Met past tense. Met with an accident. He has dash lying unconscious since morning. Mimansa?
been
Yes, been.
being
Been. He has been lying unconscious since morning. Perhaps he dash be operated upon.
had
नहीं, perhaps है. Perhaps मतलब क्या होता है? हो सकता है. वो guess कर रहा है, तो guess में क्या? Guess
will
नहीं, guess के लिए क्या मॉडल यूज कर सकते हैं? Possibility के लिए पढ़ाते हैं ना मॉडल्स. हाँ
might
हाँ.
may
might होता है कम possibility. हाँ. may he may be operated upon. possibility के लिए may यूज होता है. तो he may यहाँ perhaps मतलब क्या हो सकता है कि ऑपरेशन ऐसा. he may be operated upon. it dash be a major operation.
should
it should. तो यहाँ पॉसिबिलिटी है तो यहाँ भी पॉसिबिलिटी ही होना चाहिए. उसको पता नहीं. इट मे यहाँ भी मे ही होगा. और कैन, इट कैन बी अ मेजर ऑपरेशन. हो सकता है. डैश लाइफ इज इन डेंजर.
his
यस हिज. या फुल स्टॉप है तो कैपिटल. हिज लाइफ इज इन डेंजर. हु विल आंसर? पार्टिसिपेंट्स. नितिन सिन्हा. Nitin, you are there in the class. I can see your name. I dash to be there. Nitin is also very regular. Those who are regular, I am going to give them 20 upon 20. जिज्ञासा, दिव्यानी, मीमांसा, सारिका, ये वो भी रहती है. शिखा भी बहुत क्लास अटेंड करती है. रेगुलर मतलब 80%, 75% भी आप क्लास करते हैं तो यू आर अ रेगुलर स्टूडेंट. ऑफ कोर्स इन ऑनलाइन यू कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट 100%. बहुत टाइम जो है कनेक्शन ठीक नहीं रहता. बट एटलीस्ट यू शुड come from time to time. There are some students who never attend at all. What they think of themselves, I don't know. I dash to be there. Nitin?
yes ma'am
I dash to be there. क्या होगा? सोच के बताओ. Okay, Prince Raj, you answer. Prince,
Yes, ma'am.
ये इस ब्लैंक में क्या फिल करोगे? I dash to be there.
And have.
Have to be there. Yes, I have to be there. dash my cousin.
With.
Yes, with my
With.
cousin.
With.
Yes, correct. With my cousin. I dash inform you as soon as I
Will.
will. Okay. Yes, very good. तो नया एक्सरसाइज तो एक ही 2 मिनट बचा है, तो नया एक्सरसाइज हम नहीं करेंगे. We'll continue in the next class. So you can do the question answers of proposal. I will send you some extra questions from proposal in the as homework in the class group, and you have to do those extra questions. Okay, that will be your homework. There have been some recent changes, वो भी मैं inform कर दूंगी तुम लोग को. राइटिंग सेक्शन में मार्क्स थोड़ा कम हुआ है. And is there anything you want me to repeat from what has been taught earlier? कोई poem कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो repeat कर देंगे. Anyone? Hello. One student has said about that poem called Dust of Snow. Dust of Snow 10D का कोई स्टूडेंट था, बोला था, उसको मैं रिपीट कर दूंगी. Okay. Okay, so bye all of you. Convey to the
Thank you. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, convey to those who are not attending the classes. I'm not going to give you good marks if you don't attend. At least you have to
Yes.
attend 50-60% of the class. उतना तो कम से कम करना चाहिए. Complete. Okay.